Hello, superheroes fans, it's Cassidy here. Today we're cranking things up a notch as we reimagine our favorite top 25 superheroes as roaring monster trucks. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild, high-octane journey you won't forget.
Welcome to my channel, Hero Morphs, thrilling heroic transformations.
Spider-Man is a monster truck, wildly thrilling. Batman's truck version looks just as imposing. Superman monster truck, supremely powerful. Iron Man is a truck, metallic and impressive. Captain's monster truck, embodiment of strength. Venom truck, terrifyingly exciting. Wolverine monster truck, tough and rugged. Deadpool's truck, comically intimidating. Hulk monster truck, massively exciting. Thor as a truck, surprisingly thunderous. Black Panther truck, sleek and intimidating. Wonder Woman monster truck, fearlessly powerful. Flash's truck, fast and furious. Joker's monster truck, chaotic yet thrilling. Harley's truck, wild and rebellious. Doctor Strange's truck, mysteriously intriguing. Thanos truck, undeniably monstrous. Star-Lord's monster truck, an adventurous ride. Black Adam truck, powerfully intimidating. Ant-Man's tiny monster truck, fascinatingly robust. Groot as a monster truck, exceptionally gnarly. Rocket's truck, small but fierce. Ultron monster truck, ominously impressive. Black Widow's truck, striking and swift. Daredevil's monster truck, daredevilry on wheels.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope it provided you with some value and entertainment. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them below. We read every single one.